Hi everyone, today I'll be making easy ginger cookies. What all goes into the easy ginger cookies? One 14-ounce package of gingerbread mix. This is 14.5 ounces. 2/3 cup water. 1/2 cup chunky or creamy peanut butter. Dave loves chunky, so that's what I'm going to be using. And 1/2 cup raisins. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. Take a large bowl, add the first 3 ingredients, which is the gingerbread mix. They did not have any gingerbread mixes in my store. I actually ordered these from Amazon. The 2/3 cup water and 1/2 cup peanut butter, either crunchy or creamy. And stir that until smooth. You will have bumps from the peanuts if you're using crunchy. Alright, so it is smooth. You can see there is some peanuts in there. So next take your 1/2 cup of raisins. I coated them with flour because I know raisins do fall to the bottom. I don't know if they will in this batter in cookies or not, but better safe than sorry. I am adding the floured raisins and then fold those in. Dave likes ginger snap cookies. I don't know if this will taste like ginger snap or if it'll just taste like gingerbread. I'm thinking it's going to be a soft cookie. So drop the dough by rounded teaspoonfuls onto a greased cookie sheet. Not sure how many these will make. I'm guessing at least 24. Take your easy ginger cookie, put it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. So after 11 minutes, I took it out of the oven. It is a little bit extra brown on the bottom, so my next batch I won't cook near as long. We'll let these cool on the pan for 5 minutes and then move them to the cooling racks. So here's the second batch. They're just starting to brown on the edges there. I cooked them for 10 minutes. We'll let them sit on the cookie sheet for 5 minutes and move them to the cooling rack. So all of the cookies are done. They made 29 of them. As soon as they totally cool, I'll put them in an airtight container. The first batch is in an airtight container. When Dave gets home from work after supper, Dave will do a taste test. So here are the easy ginger cookies. Let's see what Dave thinks.
There's some kind of peanut butter?
It has peanut butter in it. It's called Easy Ginger Cookies. And it has 4 ingredients: gingerbread mix, chunky peanut butter, raisins, and water.
The ginger is what was kind of throwing me off. They're nice and moist, and I can taste the ginger and the peanut butter and the raisins.
And the water?
Not sure I can taste the water, but that's under the bridge. Michael.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.